Struggling to sleep? Let's compare two of the most popular sleep sounds, fan noise versus rain. Fan sound creates consistent white noise. It drowns out sudden distractions like traffic or loud neighbors, giving your brain a steady background to relax to. Rain sounds, on the other hand, offer a natural rhythm. The soft tapping of raindrops can trigger calming memories and lower stress, helping your body ease into sleep. So which is better? If you need to block out noise, go with the fan. But if you're looking to soothe your mind, rain might be your best bet. Which one works for you?